Imagine turning every photo you capture into cash. This is very possible, and this could be any photos. Photos of food, garden, houses and places. Name them. There's always something to capture. The main fact is that you'll be making money from cash photos you upload on this website. Taking Canva for an example, people sharing photos on Canva are being paid for it. So by the end of this video, you'll be knowing how to make cool cash by taking photos. However, please like this video and subscribe to this channel so we can get started. Now, this particular website allows you earn worldwide and is absolutely free. You can see right over here, upload your photos, get paid for views and join now. You can also download this app on Google Play Store and App Store. What you just need to do on this website is to upload photos and get paid for it. Don't worry, I will show you a free website to generate free images of your own and upload it right in this website. This second website will allow you to generate free images of your own, so you can be able to use this on the other website to get paid. So what you just want to do is to create an account for yourself on this particular website, so you'll be able to create images for yourself. I'll be showing you how to do that in this video, so you need to watch this video to the very end so you don't make any mistake on this particular website. Now, before you start generating images on this website, you will need to sign up for an account. So once you sign up using your Google account, it's going to sign you in on this website automatically. Now, to generate free images on this particular website, once you are signed in, what you just need to do is to come over this hamburger icon, then you see generate. Click on generate and it's going to bring you over to this interface. What you just need to do is to type in a prompt that you want to use for your images, depending on the kind of images you want to upload on that website. So what I will advise is that before you generate images on this website, make sure you go over to that website and know what is trending. So what you just want to do is to confirm the kind of picture that is trending on that website that sells fast. So once you're able to get the exact picture that is trending on that particular website, you just come down here and click on description. You can actually see that this particular box is giving you opportunity to describe what you want it to create for you. Okay, so you can just come in and say dog in the forest. So once you type that, you just need to come down here and click on generate. Okay, so it's going to generate, it's going to bring out an image for you on this platform. You can just go ahead to click over this button right here and you download this image. So after downloading this image, you come back to this particular website to sign up for an account. To sign up for an account, all you just need to do is to come over to sign up. So once you click on sign up, it's going to bring out this interface for you. The next thing you want to do is to create an account for yourself. Put in a username, put in an email address, then come down here and choose a password, then confirm your password. Then you come down to accept their terms of service. Also come down to check the other box, then click on sign up. So after clicking on sign up, the next thing you want to do is to check for trending pictures on this website. Then generate pictures with the first website I showed you, then upload on this particular website. So once you start uploading pictures on this website, you get paid for views that you are able to generate on a particular picture. You can find the links to this website below the description of this video and also on the pinned comment section. Now, this second website is the best website you can use to make money for uploading pictures online. So if you take this particular last website serious, you're going to be making lots of money using this particular website. So my advice for you is to follow the process I'm going to show you right in this video. Also know that this website does not require much from you. All you just need to do is to upload photos, and once you get approved, you get paid for it. But you need to know how this works to be able to use this particular website effectively. So all these pictures you're seeing are created by other people and they are being paid for these particular pictures you're seeing on this website. So you need to pay close attention so you can get this right. Once you come into this website, the next thing you want to do is to click on information. So once you click on information, you're going to be seeing sell content. So once you click on sell content, it's going to bring out this interface for you. So once you click on sell content, this is the procedures of becoming a contributor on this website. So right now, these are the terms and conditions of this website. You can see right now that the Freepik company is a company registered in the commercial registration of Malaga. So in order to get best use of this website, it's better to read their terms of service. So right now, they said in order to upload license and license works, the contributor must register by creating a username and a password and activating an account. To this end, the contributor must provide a valid email address at which contributors may receive notification related to this contributor's terms or the license. If the contributor is a legal entity or business, its username must be its full name or corporation name, and the person registering on behalf of a legal entity or business declares that he or she is a duly authorized to bind such legal entity to business, and such legal entity business shall be bound to this contributor's terms. So it is advisable for you to go through this before accepting to become a contributor on this website. So after going through all this, the next thing you want to do is to click on I accept the terms and conditions. and it's going to bring you over to the next step of your account creation, where you need to insert your author name, which is required, the website, and your country. This website can be anything. It can be your Facebook profile link. Then come down here and select your country, and this must be your real name. Then your website can be your Facebook profile link or your Instagram profile link. Then you come down and select your country. So once you're done with this, it's just to come down here and click on save. So once you click on save, it's going to take you over to the next stage that is saying congratulations, you are almost ready to start uploading. Before you do that, however, we do suggest that you read the creators handbook that contains all the important information regarding our contributors system. So you can go ahead to click on creators handbook. Okay, so once you go over to creator handbook, you can just go ahead to read what you need to know about this particular website, so you can know what and what you should not do. Okay, so once you are done, you can just go back to this website. So once you are done reading the creators handbook, the next thing you need to do is to click on start uploading. Okay, so it's going to bring out an interface telling you, welcome to the contributors panel. Let us guide you through the different sections of this panel to help you to make your first upload easy and quick. So you just need to click on start onboarding. Okay, so right now these are what you need to get on this website. It says, let's get you started. Welcome to the contributors panel. Now that you are here, let's make the most of our time together. You're one step away from becoming a Freepik contributor and converting your resources into earnings. This is what you need to do next. Upload your 150 to 200 best resources only. Quality is a must. Let's see how amazing you are. We believe in second chances, so you have to attempt to show us your true potential. To make sure your resources are accepted, read first our guidelines. Go ahead to read the guidelines of this website. But if your first application is rejected, you can still apply for the second time to get your application approved. It says submit your first work. You are almost there. Upload and submit 150 to 200 files for review. Once they are approved, you are all set to start selling your content. So before you get started on this website, you need to upload 150 to 200 files for reviews. So with what I showed you in the first place, in generating quality and good pictures, you can actually use that particular website to generate good and quality pictures and upload them here, over 150 to 200. Then after uploading these pictures and they get approved, you start earning using this particular website. So it is necessary for you to generate good and quality pictures on any website you want to use in generating them. Then upload 100 to 200 of your best resources on this platform. So once it gets approved, you start using this particular website to earn for yourself every single day just by uploading photos. So thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you found value in it, and if you did, please do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. You can as well join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel, and my WhatsApp group, where I run giveaways and also show you some specific ways you can use to make money online. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them below this video. You can find the links to this platform below the description of this video. See you on my next video, and keep winning.